Hi, I'm Oklahoma Insurance Commissioner Glenn Mulready. We are gathering here today in Oklahoma City for our second annual Insurance Day. We've got a couple hundred people that are gathering here to hear from experts and speakers from around the country. A number of them have flown in to share their knowledge on what is happening in the insurance world today.
Insurance Day is something that the commissioner and his staff have created to catch all of us who work in this industry up to date on a lot of different issues. It's a wonderful opportunity.
Insurance Day provides an opportunity for industry and the regulators to collaborate, person to person, which we can finally do now post-COVID era.
It's an opportunity to see what's happening new in the market, both in reaction to market developments, but then also to some extent driving market developments.
I love when groups get together that have a shared cause, but maybe some unique ways of going about getting after their goals and objectives. And so that creates sort of some uniqueness maybe in terms of creating a team of teams that can attack this in conjunction with the healthcare system to really create some transformational changes here in the state.
It's important to get many perspectives in these discussions, and these programs allow us to have those sorts of exchanges that make the discussion better.
Lots of things are evolving. Technology is evolving. We're going to talk about AI today. We're going to talk about IBT.
I just learned today AI and new uses of it for the insurance industry. I think the expansion of it is going to help.
We're both regulators and educators. And that provides an opportunity for us as the regulators to discuss topics of interest in terms of new regulations that may be forthcoming, new laws.
This is such a wonderful opportunity to get a really quick dose of all those issues and at least an understanding.
The thing about insurance is that it keeps you humble because there's always something else to learn. And so here, I just sat in on a panel discussion. I'm familiar with the concept, but I got to learn a little bit more and understand the nuance and the difference between this concept and division laws. So that was really useful.
Lots happening, and so agents and brokers are here. We've got insurance company executives here. We've got business people here.
I think when we close the doors and we can get into some of these discussions is really ask each other questions around how are we doing? Is it working? What are some ways that we can improve? And that's what performance science is all about, is in a lot of cases asking those hard questions of each other, all in the same vein of to get better.
I like to keep up on regulation and what's required. I try to keep my clients out of trouble so that they're not at the insurance department in trouble.
The department sees itself as an entity to do things with you and for you.
Most people that I try to reach are underserved communities, and they have no idea that we exist. So it is important to equip myself with all the new updates in the marketplace to be able to share with them.
Honestly, I just like learning about this, and so I like connecting with colleagues that are also equally nerds about this.
What I've learned from Insurance Day already is we need to have more insurance days because this one has been widely successful.
It's exciting to just meet with other people from different states and just learn from each other.